Everyone, my name is Javed, and in this video I'm going to show you the complete flow of an e-commerce application I built for a real client. This project uses React, Next.js, PostgreSQL, Razorpay, ImageKit IO, and it's fully production ready. I will walk you through the user experience, the admin dashboard, and the actual tech behind the project. So, the client requirement: a modern online store, smooth checkout, Razorpay integration, image optimization, and clean admin panel for managing product and orders. So I built the entire flow from scratch with Next.js as the full stack framework. As you can see, this is the home page where all the products are listed. We have clean product cards, dynamic pricing, category filter, add to cart button, and a responsive layout. Real-time price updates. Now once we click on this, we can see the details here. And once the item are added to the cart page shows the quantity. Now once the payment, here we can see the proceed to checkout button, and when we click on it, it will say proceed to the payment. So now the payment gateway will appear. So currently it's in test mode. So let me check. Yeah. So in the production we have to enter our card details or whatever the payment method we will going to follow. So accordingly we have to choose. So payment is done, verifying the payment. Then order will be placed here. Once the order is placed, user will get a notification in the form of email notification. So these are the flows, and in fact we can also see recently viewed. And if we click on this product details, we can also add this to the wish list. Now let me go to the admin panel. Yeah. So for the admin side, I built very clean dashboard. From here the client can add new product by clicking on this button, upload the new images if he or she want to upload the images, title, description, price, MRP, discount, stock available, and category. Also he can able to choose from the already uploaded images. Then he can able to see the order details, all the order received, and by clicking on this we can able to change the status: complete, cancelled, confirmed. We can add the delivery partner link here, so it can be visible on the consumer side by the user. So, and we can also see the analytics for now. So the tech stack I use in this project are Next.js for front-end, backend API routes, React for UI components, Postgres, I use Supabase for Postgres database, and for payment gateway I have used Razorpay, and for the image to get rendered first I use ImageKit.io, and yeah, Prisma ORM. If you want tutorial on any feature from this project like Razorpay integration, card system, admin dashboard or database setup, comment below. Everyone, my name is Javed, and in this video I'm going to show you the complete flow of an e-commerce application I built for a real client. This project uses React, Next.js, PostgreSQL, Razorpay, ImageKit.io, and it's fully production ready. I will walk you through the user experience